Today we will take a glance to the next handheld gaming console of Ayaneo, the Ayaneo Slide. Good morning and welcome to Tech Interceptor. First of all, remember to subscribe to the channel, activate the notification bell to stay up to date on upcoming videos, and if you want to take a look at our Twitter and Instagram profiles. The first time that Ayaneo shows the Ayaneo Slide has been during a live in May. The handle reveal was a prototype, but it showed all main characteristics of a feature console. Firstly, the Slide 1080p 6 inches display that hides the second element, the backlit keyboard with a physical keys. In addition, the display can fold to 45 degrees for a better use. Presented with a black colorway including the sticks, the D-pad, the action button, the triggers. In short, everything of the console was black. I don't know, but this concept reminded me another console, the GPD WIN 3, that soon will have a successor, the PS Vita, the GPD WIN 4. Since then, Chinese brand is working on this prototype, and recently, on a new live, as always also on its official YouTube channel, it has revealed a new updated Ayaneo Slide. From the prototype, the gaming console has undergone some changes, starting from the exterior. Now, instead of a black color, we find a white colorways with some contrasting orange details, like as the Ayaneo button, the letter on the action buttons, the 4 small direction line on the D-pad, the triggers, the microSD slot, as well as on start, enter and the function key on keyboard. In addition, the console has been enriched with a LED light signature along the perimeter of the keyboard and at the base of the 2 small hole stick. But it isn't changed only this. The chassis has been revised slightly on the dimension for optimize the positioning of all components. The display isn't longer sit flush with the body, but against to this latter instead is a little bit raised. Regarding the I/O, on top we find the volume control button and the power on-off button that should have also a fingerprint sensor. Instead, on bottom we have got 2 speakers. Between these there are one audio jack for link our audio peripheral and another USB Type-C port. And plus, the heat dissipation air vent have been modified. If the design side has been improved, the specifications have not been changed. The handheld console should be featured the AMD Ryzen 7 6800U CPU and the GPU based on RDNA2 architecture. In conclusion, after all these updates, however, the company hasn't yet disclosed the release date, neither the price of a new Ayaneo console. Well, that's all for today. As always, let me know what do you think in the comments below. If you find this video helpful, leave a like, share it with your friend and don't forget to subscribe. Huge thanks for watching, see you again next time.